Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use WhatsApp sticker suggestion feature in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So it is a very simple and easy step-by-step process. The first thing you want to do is make sure that it is enabled in your settings. Simply go ahead and open your U tab on the bottom right-hand side of your screen. And this is where you want to go to the chat section. Once you're in the chat section, you want to simply go ahead and look for the sticker suggestion and make sure that is turned on. I currently have it turned on, I'm pretty sure, so I'm not going to go ahead and bother about it. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open a chat that you want to go ahead and send a sticker to. Now, all you need to do is click on the plus icon. I think I can send it to the Meta AI, so I am going to go ahead and send it to a random person right over here. Click on the plus icon. This is where I want to simply go ahead and tap on the sticker tab. And now this is exactly where you're going to get all the suggestions right over here. You can simply go ahead and choose any of the stickers right from here and send it to your friends. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.